Okay, how many other? One, two.
You follow him. Follow the big guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only see 6 at the moment.
So we're in a pod of them. There.
There were 17, but I can only do 3.
Just a few 100 yards off Post Barn.
Look at the big guy again. He's circling us. He thinks we're plankton.
Oh, look, there's a big one there, look.
There's another one behind.
I mean, so these guys are 3 boat lengths away.
5. Oh my god, he's coming back.
And there's PB. Look at me, Ruthie. Beautiful day.
This is my kind of water. Not
So how long is that? So as long as the boat.
easily as long as a boat.
So it's 18 foot.
I love his nose.
It's just gently trawling. Shall we go? Let's go and get a strip of him for a purse.
Look to your left. They keep swinging around because there's another one coming up there.
Yay.
And you're right next to him. Here's right there as well. Right in the middle of it. Oh, he's coming back.
He's coming towards us.
Oh, shit.
He's gone under.
Right, I'm going to sit down. Oh, I'm so glad I put on a life jacket. Oh, look. Oh, what's that? 3 metres, 3.5 metres?
I'd say it's the length of this boat.
Which is?
Is that the biggest one around here?
No, I think the one on the right might be bigger.
It's just the most perfect day, isn't it?
Oh, look,
There's 2 coming together.
Your left, there's another guy coming up.
And look, there's about to be a crash.
Okay,
Look.
fantastic.
These guys are coming together. Look, they're going to crash head on.
Okay,
They're playing chicken.
come together right now. Preferably not over us. Oh my god, what are they doing?
Mating. Playing.
He's coming to us now, Alex. Alex, it's so cool. This is my best ever game.
Look, I can hear something behind. Look over my left shoulder.
Oh my god, look over your left shoulder.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a boat length away. Where's that guy? Look, we should see this guy underwater. Can you see this guy underwater? Where did that guy go? The one who just went down?
Another 3 over there now. The guy who went under is literally under our boat.
Oh look, he's just behind us. Look there.
Yeah. Well, look at the drag he's got. How long do you think
It's a hell of a wake, isn't it? Go on, show us your nose. It's a wonderful pattern on the.
Is that the rock out there?
What?
Something just leapt out of the water, way on the horizon.
No, there's no rock out there.
Okay, something just leapt out of the water. Jeez, this is just like a joke safari. So much going on. It'll be that minking over there. Look, babe, do you see straight out? Where, to my
Okay, I'm filming.
Well, way on the horizon, do you see there's a dark lump? Exactly where I'm pointing to, 12 o'clock. Can you? You see the white buoy? And where that gull is?
Yeah, I see a black and white got a black back.
Yeah. And just below there.
Yeah, we'll get the binoculars.
Oh, I forgot we had them.
In fact, it'd be worth looking at those sharks through binoculars.
I'm quite blasé now about these things.
Oh look, there's a great picture there.